Hey guys, welcome to some more Critical Ops. Just to make up for not making so many Critical Ops videos. I'm gonna do with a different pistol this time. Let's go for the P2050. This is like the first pistol that you get in. Well, I mean, you get all the weapons available, so don't worry about unlocking them all. They're all unlocked for you. I don't know why I'm going around with this pistol, because I already know that's really bad. I mean, it's a good flanking weapon. I mean, it's an okay flanking weapon. It's actually not that good of a flanking weapon. You kind of want something, yeah. What am I doing? It's basically your generic pistol. Oh my god. Okay. Maybe the HK also stands for Hong Kong, but whatever. And I'm not using this anymore. I mean, I'll have it in my this, but this is basically the weakest loadout I can get. The HK, cause this thing fires pretty slow. It's like a sniper rifle, but without a scope, and fires a little bit faster than basically the weakest pistol in the game. Darn it. Don't you dare. Oh, thank goodness. That was someone else. Okay, I have 26 health. I cannot afford to take any more damage. And well, I'm running with a knife. Lol, I don't know why I'm running with a knife. Aw, come on. It's hard, I told you, it's hard to get kills with this gun. Even if you just hold fire. Oh, that actually goes faster. But then it's hard to control. This gun's actually not that great. I mean, if I could get a different skin, maybe I'll... Don't you dare! You do that and you die. I'm not even kidding you. I'm guaranteed you'll die if you keep this. What? I don't think he's using this gun. Pretty sure he's using the second gun. Second pistol. Is he just running with a pistol now? He doesn't know he can get a primary? He's just using a pistol as his primary? Oh my god! You don't want to go that way. I headshot both of them. Lol. That's good for headshots, I guess. I hate the Carmine. Oh god. What in Hayville? Oh my god. Whoa, he was not even aiming at me. That's wizardry right there. I guess. I don't know. But yeah. Oh, I thought that was a cop, and I was gonna stab him. Ooh. Going for a sneak stab. Get over here. Hey. Wow, you didn't save me. Oh. Oh, come on. The MP7. I don't know if that's better than the MP5. It's definitely... Well, MP7 is definitely louder. Yeah, sorry for the lack of Critical Ops videos. I just want to do something else because I feel like I'm doing way too many Critical Ops videos. Also, I made a few new playlists so that you guys don't have to search around in the playlist my vids all the time. You could just like go to any one of the playlists and any games that you want me to play. Oh yeah, if you want me guys to play any game that's like similar, like I don't know. If you guys want me to play a game that's a first-person shooter, I'll happily do it. Guys have to tell me what's the name of the you guys just have to tell me what's the name of the game and I will download it. I mean, I hate the puzzle games. They are the worst ever, but okay, I think our teammates are in there, bro. This is not good hiding it. So yeah, this is basically a sniper rifle without a scope. Oh god. Oh yes, I saved your life. I'm kidding. I didn't save your life. Hey, it's just me, bro. Get me in. Thank you. I'm gonna start to stab people. You know, it's my work. Wait, I'm gonna hide in this bush. It's not gonna work, but... Oh, does he have You have a HK. I don't think this is gonna go well. Oh god. And I have the weakest pistol in the game. At least when I tried it. I'm gonna shank him. I'm hiding in the bush. Wow. How did he get me in the bush? I was so well hidden. I'm guessing his thing lit up or something. Ooh. Oh god, never mind. Never mind, they're in the windows. I can see them. Oh wait, what? Wait, hold on a sec. What? What? Okay, that's it. I'm going back to kill that guy. I'm so angry right now. How do you kill me that fast? Like, that's almost impossible. Don't you dare. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. I mean, I wanted to kill him, but whatever. Dude, it's fine. What's the money for? The money's just for killing people. But then, like, it's only useful in defuse, kinda. And, like, in deathmatch, I don't see... I wonder when they're going to add a CTF mode, like a capture the flag mode. That would be really cool if they added, like, a capture the flag mode. That would be, like, really cool. Am I the lowest ping? Hold on. Ping 99. Oh. What? No, I was 66. It was 65. Ooh. 99 ping. I'm like the second lowest ping. Because I keep it at like only USA, so. It worked pretty good, huh? I'm not expecting anyone in here, but. Whatevs. You do that again and you're gonna die. I kid you not. I had enough of your pistol thing. Yeah, you. Sir, why are you using a pistol when you're supposed to be using your primary? I'll have you know that primary is actually pretty good, you know. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, never mind. I was gonna stab him, but whatevs. Lol. Oh, God. Dude, hide. I'm going in here, too. Coming for... What? Coming for? I know I shouldn't be running with a knife, because they think I'll be meleeing. But then this makes me no better. Okay. I mean, I guess running with or walking with an HK is okay. But then, some guy going there, so might as well. So that's B point for defuse. All maps have like a defuse point, or like a bomb point. What skin do you have? You have no skin. Wait, can I see that? Yeah, that's a default. I have the Conferrer or something. Oh wait, I kind of made maybe a itsy bitsy mistake. Oh god. Oh, my thing is hungry. If you try that again, you're gonna die for sure. I warned you once. Okay, well, I'm running. Lol. That gun is OP. Not gonna lie. I want to use a sniper rifle. Yeah, the sniper rifle's name was Conferrer or something, and I named it the Frontier. I'm very sorry, but that I guess that's my nickname for. That's my nickname for my sniper rifle is the Frontier, because we're top tier, but I'm getting good at sniper rifles, but the thing is that you have to camp, or at least it's essential to camp, because if you go mobile sniper, you kind of have a chance to die, like a lot. But yeah, I think we're gonna end the video here because it's gonna get so sorry. Oh god. What? Anyways, oh yeah, let's look at that carbine. That's what it's called. Anyways, that's it for today. So bye.